Hey there, my name's Jenny Sullivan, and I am starting the Tier 1 Educational Leadership Program at the University of West Georgia. I teach at Cherokee County Schools in Georgia, and I teach at Mountain Road Elementary School, which is where I've taught for the past 5 years. This is my sixth year of teaching experience, but it's my third year of leadership experience. So for the past 3 years, I've been the digital leader for the school, the ELA leader for the school, the blended learning leader through the International Center of Leadership and Education, the Bold School Initiative with Weston Kieschnick, where I was observed by county officials and given feedback for blended coursework in the fifth grade classroom. I'm the PBIS leader for our school, the team leader for the fifth grade team at my school, and the gifted committee leader. And this is my first class for educational leadership. I'm so excited to get started. And after receiving my Ed Leadership Certificate, my hope is to apply to Tier 2 doctoral programs. One that I'm very interested in is the EDD program online through Vanderbilt, and it's the Leadership and Learning and Organizations degree.